So today is not a meeting for SIR review or any other thing. Today was a statutory meeting as per the ECI guidelines to have a FLC meeting, first level checking of EVM meetings with all the DOs, nodal officers of districts and ADMs. In this meeting, officers of the BEL, which supplies the machines, officers of ECIL, who do the checking of machines and maintenance of machines, along with the engineers, the DOs, and other officers were there. The entire provisions of the manual were discussed regarding use of machines, upkeep of machines, maintenance of machines, and live demonstrations were done. Question answer sessions were held. So there is clarity in the minds of all the DOs and other officers regarding the manuals and regarding the rules, regulations, notifications, and circulars for the maintenance, upkeep, and use of the machines.
Sir, today news is also stating that 7 BLOs sent to the so-called letter sent to 7 BLOs.
See, I am not aware of any show-cause letter because there are 1 lakh BLOs and supervisors and 294 EROs and about 3,000 EROs. In case of any problem, in case of any lacunae, and in case of complaints, show-cause is just a opportunity given to the BLO to explain. So, in case some people have issued at the local level, it is their lookout. In case something serious happens, then it will be reported to us.
Sir, my last question is that, sir, many transgenders, especially, they are facing to fill up the forms regarding his mother's and father's name. And they are also mentioning that the documents list are given by the Election Commission of India. The transgender card, especially, are not included in that. Sir, what are the...
See, they met me also, and I have issued instructions to all the DOs and EROs that they will help and facilitate all the transgender people to get included in the voter rolls as per the eligibility. So, hand-holding will be there. Not only transgenders, no other eligible person will be left out of the roll.